Slide the undersleeve onto the arm up to the axilla. The thumb should show through the undersleeve's thumb hole. Ensure that there are no wrinkles in the undersleeve. To apply the arm component, slide it onto the arm using the inner bands. Make sure the top band is located in the axilla. The inner bands hold the components in place. To fasten the bands, start with the wristband. Unroll the band, pull it across the arm and attach it to the opposite side with firm and comfortable compression. Secure the band using the provided hook tabs. Be sure not to tuck the band under the component. The hook tab should never make contact with the skin or undersleeve. Repeat this process with the other bands going up the arm. The component should lay flat against the arm. Ensure that the bands are placed in an alternating order. Once all bands are secured, inspect the component for any gaps or creases. Adjust the bands as necessary. The bands should be pulled to a firm but comfortable tension to provide therapeutic compression within your tolerance level. Recorded prior settings can be used as reference to ensure you have the same application as with your therapist. If settings were not recorded, pull the bands to a firm but comfortable tension within your tolerance level. Take the BTS card and line up the black triangle of the card with one of the BTS lines on the band. Make sure that the second BTS line lines up with the recorded card's tension level. Repeat for each band and set of markings. By using a mirror, ensure that there are no wrinkles or gaps in the component. Lastly, fold the top part of the undersleeve over the top edge of the component. To remove the component, detach all bands starting with the top band. Fold each band back onto itself to keep the hook tabs lint-free. Remove the component. Lastly, slide the undersleeve off the arm.